Hey y'all, it's Lex, back again with another hair video. This is my detangling spray. It says kids. I use it for my son's hair, but it works on mine, so why not use it, you know? I found it's easiest if you section your hair when you detangle it. This is just something quick. I'm not gonna use, a comb or nothing to section it. I just wanted to give y'all a quick video, real quick, while I'm on my way out. So boom, you always start at the bottom of your hair, never the top, because then you'll be trying to brush out crazy tangles. And don't know I got time for that. Don't know I got time for that. So you always work your way up. Boom. See that? See how the brush just goes through so easily now that I worked my way up. Now this side. Now, just a simple ponytail I'm gonna do. Nothing major. Nothing major at all. This is my leave-in conditioner. So we're gonna put some of that in each side. I love Cantu products. I found they've worked best for my hair. They're definitely awesome. I think the only thing I use different is I even have a Cantu detangler. It's run out, so I didn't use it. But the only thing I don't use from Cantu is the shampoo and conditioner, the regular shampoo and conditioner to wash your hair. Other than that, all my hair products are pretty much Cantu products. You just brush it through. This is moisturizing curl activator cream. The best. Take a little bit of that. You don't need too much. Not too much. You just be wanting your curls to pop, you know? So, just... brush through. See? Okay. This is the gel I use. I love this gel too. It definitely holds my hair the best. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do a little slick ponytail in the back. You know, nothing too major. So I put the gel on the brush, easiest for me. Some people like to put it on their hair, their hand, and then do it that way. I prefer not to do it that way. So then you're just gonna brush your hair back until there's no bumps. You see how there's bumps in the hair? Gonna brush back till there's no bumps. Take this brush and brush it back. Make sure you get all the bumps out of it. Edge control. Now this is my first time getting this edge control. I don't know if I like it too much. The reason why I got it is because they didn't have the edge control that I usually get, but it's not the best. It's definitely not the best. I mean, but if you want to try it and see if it works for your hair, definitely be my guest, you know? But I prefer my regular edge control. But, you know, everything works differently for different people, So basically what I just did was I brushed my baby hairs out the ponytail. I'm going to take a little piece of tissue, dry them off, so they're not super wet when I try and lay them. Edge control, put it on your edges. I usually just like slide it down, you know? Like, on this side of your face. Rest of the edge control can go back in the container. Lay the edges. Girl, lay them things. So, you swoop, swoop, and just make your finger follow the brush, kinda, you know? And hold the edges in place. Time for the other side. Use the comb, part it a little bit to make creasy lines in the edges so they're crisp, you know? Then, all you gotta do is spray some handy dandy hole spray or use some mousse, whatever you prefer, but it got to be glue. That's my shit. So, I'm gonna just spray it on. Spray my pony so I can hold my curls a little bit, because when my hair gets dry, boom, instantly poofs. That humidity be doing something to my hair. I don't know what it is. Use a brush, go from the edges, and just brush it back one more time with the spray on it so it'll hold. But make sure you're going from the edges. Do not try and brush the edges. It'll mess it up. And this, y'all, is a finished look. Follow for more.